Assalamu alaikum class. Today in this lecture we will complete exercise of unit number 12, the Nawab of Salimabad, part 1. First of all, B1, working with words. Choose the correct words from the box to complete the sentences. War, walking, wasted, waiter, whale. These are the words and you have to put them in the right blank. A. We often move from one place to another by walking. B. This happens when countries fight each other. This is war. C. If you don't eat your food, it may be wasted. He serves in a restaurant as a waiter. A long, loud, sad cry is called a wail. Now, B2. Write the opposites of the following words. You will find the words in the play. Class, आपने यहाँ पर वो वर्ड्स ऐड करने हैं जो आपके प्ले में मौजूद हैं. A. Cool, warm, ill, well, ashamed, proud, badly, again well, W-E-L-L, well. B3. Write words with the same meaning as the following. You will find the words in the play. A. Cross, angry. In the end, finally. Get by, manage. Dreadful, terrible. Relaxed, comfortable. Player, enjoyment. Then C1, learning about language. Fill in the blanks in the following by changing the words in brackets and sometimes by adding a word to. Basically these blanks are about adjective. You have to put here second degree of adjective, which is comparative degree. Okay. A. Gold is heavier than paper. This book is more interesting than that one. Is eating better than sleeping? Is stealing worse than hurting people? Is a poem more beautiful than a picture? Question mark. Now, add articles in the blanks below. Not all the blanks need to be filled. As I told you that not all the blanks need to be filled. तमाम blanks में articles नहीं put होंगे, कुछ blanks blank ही रहेंगी. Let's start. Once upon a time, there lived an ugly miser. He was very rich man and he grew oranges and apples. He sold them in the market. One day I asked him for an apple. He said, I can't give you an apple, but I sell you one. Then give me an orange. I said, I put the fruit in my bag and walked off down the road. Then this is C3. Complete the chart using the correct form of the verbs. Catch, caught, caught. Begin, began, begun. Fall, fell, fallen. Ride, rode, ridden. Send, S-E-N-D, sent, sent, sent. Give, gave, given. This is the exercise of unit number 12, the Nawab of Salimabad, part 1 from Oxford Modern English, book 3.